If you are posting videos on YouTube for a while, you have probably noticed that coming up with new video ideas every single time is not that easy. So in today's video, I will show you 3 methods that will help you to generate endless video ideas instantly without overthinking or wasting your time. Let's get started. Okay, so firstly, to use these methods, we need to get help from a tool called VidIQ. If you haven't heard about VidIQ before, it's basically a keyword research tool that helps YouTube channels to grow. They are a very trusted brand. They have a large YouTube channel with more than 2.3 million subscribers. I'm also using VidIQ for my channels as well. And to get started, you need to sign up with your Google account. You can sign up for completely free. I put down the link in description. So after you sign up, you should land to this dashboard. Here on the left bottom side, you see that I connected both of my channels to VidIQ. It is necessary to connect our channels with VidIQ, but don't worry, it's completely safe to do that. And after we connect our channels, it will retrieve data from your channel and make you personalized suggestions. We'll find you personalized video ideas that is specific for your niche and for your channel. Okay, so make sure to connect your channels and let's get started. All right, the first method I would like to show is the search method. As I said before, VidIQ is actually a keyword research tool, which means that you will type some search terms and it will bring you ideas. So head to the keywords tab on the left side and it will take you to this screen. Now here on the search field, you can type a keyword that is related to your niche. Let's say that you are in the cooking niche. So we will type here cooking. Click on search and it brought us a bunch of different keywords and a graph here. I will explain very soon what it means. So firstly, I want you to focus on this field here. So currently we are on the overview page. Now when I click on the related keywords field, we will find here many different search terms and keywords that is directly related to our search term. So under this tab, you will find many different keywords and search terms that is directly related to our search term. This is basically what the related keyword field is. The next one I would like to show you is the matching terms field. Now under this table, you will find different keyword ideas, but directly matches the search term we wrote here. Okay, so since we wrote here cooking, we find here different search terms or keywords that includes our search term cooking. Let's say what we got here: Lego cooking, village cooking, cooking simulator, cooking channel, cooking recipes, and so on. If you like one of these ideas, let's say cooking recipes, click on that. So this time VidIQ brings us other keywords directly includes that is related to cooking recipes. Okay, let's click here, for example. This time we see here, for example, easy recipes, quick recipes, beef recipes, and like that. And when we click on the matching terms, now we will find here keywords that includes both of these search terms: Japanese recipes cooking, easy cooking recipes, and like that. There is one more tab here I would like to show, and that is the questions tab. Now under this table, you will find many different questions that includes our search term, cooking recipes. And these questions are many different questions that people are actually asking. So here, if you prefer, you can take one of the questions and make an entire video about it. Okay? So let's say how to make easy cooking recipes ASMR, right? So you can, for example, take this idea and make a complete video about this question and you can answer the question. So under this tab, you will find many different questions and you can get here many different ideas. If you wish, you can answer these questions or you can use the matching terms and make a video about it, however you wish. But there is a small warning I would like to give you. When choosing these keywords here or the questions, when you come to the overview tab, here your main keywords, your main search term, cooking recipes, will get a score. And this score tells us two things. The first one is the search volume, which indicates how much interest there is for this specific search term. So we see that more than 50,000 people are searching for this term. So there is kind of a high interest about this topic. It validates that this topic is an interesting topic for the audience, so you can make a video about it. If the search volume is too low, let's say you choose a question from here. Okay, now the question will be what I wish I knew about cooking healthy pasta recipes. Okay, so this is a search term, but we see that not many people are actually searching for it. So if you want to make a video about it, you can expect that the search volume, the number of views you get, will be relatively low. But there is a second important metric, which is the competition level. Now here you need to pay attention, especially when you have a small channel. You need to pay attention to make videos that has a relatively lower competition, which means that not many videos made about this specific search term. Okay, so when the competition is low, we can assume that not many videos have been made about this topic. So if you make a video about it, people will actually find that video. So by using the search feature, you can find here many different endless video ideas. Alright, the second method is the remix method. Let's say you are on the YouTube homepage browsing for a video that you want to watch. Okay? Let's say that you come to a video that has a great title and gives you some idea about a video that you want to make. The video you see here, let's say you found this video, doesn't have to be directly from your niche, because VidIQ has a feature called remix. So let's click on this video. Okay, now under the video section, you see here the remix tab. Make sure that you have installed the browser extension so this button can appear here. Now when you click on this button, VidIQ generates different video ideas, but that is directly related for your niche, for your channel. So for example, my channel is about content creation and it is for mostly small YouTubers, right? So that's why VidIQ generates here a new title that doesn't write AI tools explained, but it writes creator secrets explained and how to grow on YouTube. That is directly a video idea that is directly related to my niche and to my channel. It also gives here other ideas with a score. This is also a video idea for my niche. Mindset shifts explained, how to stay motivated as a content creator. Community building explained. Content creation advice explained, how to plan your strategy for 2026. As you can see, they're all different video ideas that I can use. So by using the remix feature, VidIQ will take the title structure, the successful title structure for any video, and it will apply the same title structure for your niche and for your channel. And it will give you different video ideas that you can take and use directly as a new video idea for your next upcoming video. Alright, method number 3 is the outlier method. Now, if you don't know what an outlier is, when it comes to YouTube, it is a video that performs significantly better than the average views a channel gets and significantly higher views than the channel's size. For example, if a channel has 1,000 subscribers and a video the channel posts gets 50,000 views, that will be an outlier. Or for example, if a channel gets between 500 and 1,000 views on average, but a video they post gets like 100,000 views, that video topic will be an outlier. And VidIQ helps us to find these outlier topics. The biggest advantage of using outlier topics is that it kind of shows us that that specific topic has a strong demand from the audience on a specific niche. But a common mistake that many people on YouTube do is that they take these ideas from large channels and then they make the same video and that video doesn't perform well, and then they keep wondering why. The reason is because rules apply different to large channels and to small channels on YouTube. What works well for a large channel mostly won't work the same for a small channel. So what you need to do as a small channel is that to find these outliers from other small channels. If a video gets 100k views from a channel with 1 million subscribers, is not the same when a video gets 100k views from a channel with 100 subscribers. But the question is, how will you find these outlier topics from small channels? Because since they are small and there are millions of small channels on YouTube, you won't be able to find them most of the time. And this is where VidIQ comes into play. It finds those topics, those outlier topics, and those small channels for us. So you don't have to worry about finding these small channels that has great performing topics. Now let me show you how it works. Sorry guys, my camera's battery has unfortunately died and I have to take myself off the camera. We will continue with the screen recording only. So let's zoom in to this video, for example, and you see here a score. When we see here, for example, 4x, it means that this video is doing 4 times better for Ali Abdal's channel, right? Moving on with this video, for example, it does only 1 time better than this channel's average. Okay, let's go down. For example, this video does 2.2 times better, and like that. For example, this video got 140k views, and it is a great topic for my channel's niche, but if I make the same video and post it, I won't get the same views because I don't have 6 million subscribers like Ali has, right? So what we will do here instead is to click on this button, and VidIQ will take us to the outliers screen. Here, I will be able to see very similar topics for this video. But what's great here is that it shows us large and small creators in the same time, right? For example, this channel has posted the same video, and this video is doing 25 times better for this channel. But they are also kind of large. They have 70,000 subscribers, but the video has done a lot better for this channel and got more than 270k views. But still, this channel is relatively large. So I need to look for other channels. For example, this one is a lot better. They also posted a very similar video. And for this channel, it does 100 times better. So it's like a really successful outlier score. They only have 6,000 subscribers, but the video got 8,000 views. Now, when I visit this channel, okay, let's open it on YouTube. So they have 6.5 thousand subscribers. Let's have a look at their videos. We see that they usually get less than 50 views. They don't even get 100 views, as you can see. This specific video did a great performance for this channel. So this is 100% an outlier video. If you also were on the YouTube growth niche, you could definitely try making this video as well. It has a great potential. Okay, let's look for another channel. Think Media is also very large. It is not going to work. But this channel, for example, they have 5,000 subscribers and the video got 22,000 views. They are talking about a new way to start a YouTube channel. All right, so let's continue. This one is large, this one is large. This one is still a small channel. They have 3.6 thousand subscribers and the video got 50,000 views. It's an older video, but the same topic, how to start a YouTube channel. And it also did well for this channel, got 100 times more outlier score, right? When we visit this channel, for example, we see that their view counts are always less than 1,000, mostly less than 500. But that video got 50,000 views. So this is also a clear outlier for this channel. And by using this outlier feature of VidIQ, we can detect these topics and use them as our topics as well. And the best part is the remix title that I showed you previously is also here. Now, when I click on that, okay, so for example, this topic is within my niche, but if it wasn't, then VidIQ would also create titles that is specific for my channel, even if this video, for example, weren't in my niche. So you can use the outlier feature also for the videos that is not in your niche, like the remix feature. Okay, so I strongly suggest you to install and start using VidIQ, and with these 3 powerful features, the keyword research, the outlier feature, and with the remix feature, you can find almost unlimited video topics and high potential video topics that will most likely perform great for your channel as well, quickly and instantly by using VidIQ. You can start using it for completely free and later you can upgrade it if you wish. I put down the link in the description below. If you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you need more YouTube growth tips, make sure to check out my next video as well. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next video.